Hi, Mike Gruhin's avatar here for Gruhin Gruhin Attorneys. Today, I want to talk about Ohio workers' compensation fraud. When an injured worker can't work because of a job accident, that worker is entitled to seek disability compensation, either temporary total or permanent total disability payments. But when applying for that money, you're required to certify in writing that you're unable to work. So, if you work while you're receiving temporary or permanent total money benefits, you may be committing a felony. Bottom line, don't work and collect TTD or PTD compensation. Before you do anything, talk to a board-certified Ohio workers' compensation specialist attorney, or you might wind up like him. Fraud is defined as an intentional act or series of acts resulting in obtaining payments or benefits to which one is not entitled. Fraud is committed when 1. A person knowingly and with the intent to defraud receives benefits which he or she is not entitled to receive by law. 2. Makes false or misleading statements for the purpose of receiving compensation or medical benefits. Or 3. Enters into a conspiracy to defraud the state insurance fund or a self-insuring employer under the Ohio Workers' Compensation Act. The Ohio BWC is aggressively attacking fraud through its Special Investigations Unit. It's committed to the detection, investigation, and prosecution of potential employer, injured worker, and/or medical provider workers' compensation fraud. If you're an injured worker, understand that while you're receiving workers' comp benefits, you may be under surveillance by your employer or investigation by the Ohio BWC. Unfortunately, many of the fraud tips that the BWC receives comes from an ex-spouse, an ex-girlfriend, an ex-boyfriend, or someone who just plain doesn't like you. So, keep your friends close and your enemies closer. Don't advertise that you're receiving workers' compensation disability money. When you're the victim of an Ohio work injury or job accident, you need experienced legal representation. You need an attorney who's going to go to bat for you. I'm a board-certified Ohio workers' compensation specialist attorney. I fight for my clients' rights and I fix legal problems. When you're injured at work, you need legal representation to protect your legal interests and to fight for all the money benefits and medical care to which you are entitled. And wouldn't you want a board-certified Ohio BWC specialist attorney on your side? Call me to cut the bureaucratic red tape and translate the legal mumbo-jumbo. 1-800-861-5555 or check out our website at www.gruhin.com. For any questions concerning your Ohio workers' compensation claim, call me